In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a goal to an account in Monarch Money. Let's get started. To use accounts with your goals, go to the Goals page. Then click Edit Goal Accounts. You'll now see a list of all your available accounts. From here, simply turn on the accounts you want to include for that goal, like a savings or checking account. Once enabled, Monarch will display the available amount from those accounts on your goals page, so you can easily track how much you can allocate. If you make a contribution to a goal using a specific account, Monarch may automatically turn that account on for you, so it's included in your tracking moving forward. This feature helps make sure your goal progress is accurate, since it's tied directly to the balances of the accounts you've selected. After choosing your accounts, click Done to save your changes. You can always come back and adjust this anytime if your setup changes. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.